Okay, we're here at 2122 Navy Street in Santa Monica. Now, we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house, but we're starting to run our camera. There's a 4-inch clean out where the pipe exits the back of the house, and we'll run a camera through here. That's the only place we can really check the sewer line. Right now, we have our camera in the line. We're all the way out to the property line where we've come into some very heavy roots along the way at the property line. So we cannot get our camera through here. There is another clean out down closer to the property line. The sewer line goes out to the back to the alley where we'll try to see if we can push through here. Anyway, let's bring the camera back. There's the heavy roots over there, and we cannot get our camera through. So we're going to bring the camera back. We have a clay pipe coming back from the property line towards the house. Is running all the way through the backyard. See, it takes several turns as it keeps coming back. Now, coming right over here. That's where the other clean out is, down the bottom. You can see that was very poorly installed and it's sinking really bad. However, we will try to get our camera through from there to see if we can get it all the way through the city sewer. Coming back, you can see very poor connection over there, so that needs to be fixed. Now we have some clay pipe with some very minor roots coming through some of the joints. In my opinion, this looks like it's in pretty fair condition. Also, the sewer line has a pretty good grade going downhill. Okay, so right over here, we're going to keep coming back. There's some very minor little roots. Probably need some little bit of periodic cleaning. Okay, here we are in the back of the house. I'm going to pause the recording. I'm going to put the camera to go upstream. Okay, running the camera upstream. We've pretty much gone underneath the house to some ABS plastic pipe. So this section of ABS plastic over here has obviously had been replaced. It's obviously in good condition. It's probably going upstairs and stuff. Comes back to a cast iron pipe. Getting a little old, but it still appears to be in fair condition. Remember, we're looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot see the outside. Very minimal amount of rust buildup. Doesn't really look too bad at all. Remember, never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. Okay, now we're going to come out to keep coming right over here. We have quite a lot of roots in the line, so I'm just going to pause the recording. Okay, we've located this just underneath the concrete over here where it exits the house. There's roots over there. Now, you can clean this out, there's no doubt about it, from this clean out over here. It is a two-way clean out. Obviously, the line will need hydrojetting and periodic cleaning. There's no doubt about that. Okay. Okay, so here we come out of the clean out over here. We're going to pause the recording, go down to the other clean out closer to the property line. Okay, so we're unable to get our camera through here. The line's going to need to be hydrojetted in order to complete this inspection. There's a massive root there at the property line. Okay, let's pull it back, Rigoberto. We cannot get through there. Try to run a lot of water to lubricate it. You can see it's pretty blocked there. That's going to need to be cleaned out in order to continue this inspection. Okay, here it comes out of the clean out over here. I'm going to stop the recording at this point.